It's Elizabeth, and I'm about to show you the easiest pizza dough ever. It's only 2 ingredients, self-rising flour and Greek yogurt. Let's get started. In a large bowl, mix together 1.5 cups of self-rising flour and 1 cup of Greek yogurt. Once it starts to come together, turn it out onto a floured work surface like your countertop. Knead for 8 minutes, adding more flour if you need to in case it gets sticky. Spray a large baking sheet or pizza pan with cooking spray and spread out the dough. Par bake the dough first for 5 to 7 minutes, and then take it out, add your favorite toppings, and put it back in for another 5 to 7. I went with fresh mozzarella, tomatoes, and the classic pizza sauce. And then you're done. Finish it off with fresh basil, arugula, or balsamic drizzle like I did. That's my favorite kind of pizza. Or customize it and make it your own. Thanks so much for watching this easy 2-ingredient pizza dough, and let me know in the comments what you're gonna put on yours. Don't forget to subscribe. I did set my fire alarm off. Hopefully you won't.